Hey, Lou, what the tent at, man?
Oh, so you finally decided to show up 2 hours late? The tent and chairs is in the back of my truck.
Yeah, I see him. Right by Vaughn. I'm just saying, you know, I like to drop it off at the house. Come on, girl, you messing up the routine. You know the deal. I'll come through, drop off the package, and you hit me off with some of them leftovers. I ain't had no neck bones, no pig's feet, no black-eyed peas, no collard greens in a long time. And look at me, look, itching for some of that peach cobbler.